In this video, I will show how to disable AutoSave option in Microsoft Word. So open Word, then here click on Options. Now here click on Save. Now in this list, underneath Save Documents, to disable and turn off, unselect this checkbox. Save auto recover information every. So just unselect this checkbox, then click on OK. So this way you can disable. And again you want to turn on and enable. Click on Options, Save, and check this box. Then click on OK. Now restart. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.